Welcome F5AC students. Today we are going to discuss about paper second theory of equations, and the topic is last chapter topic, Cardan's method of solving the cubic equation. Let the given cubic equation be a0 x cube plus a1 x square plus a2 x plus a3 is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 1. Remove the second term by diminishing the roots of 1 by minus a1 upon 3 a0, and then multiply the roots of by a0, getting the standard form z cube plus 3hz plus g is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 2, where z is equal to a0 in bracket x plus a1 upon a0 bracket complete is equal to a0 x plus a1, h is equal to a0 a2 minus a1 square, and g is equal to a0 square a3 minus 3 a0 a1 a2 a3 plus 2 a1 bracket cube. Now let us assume that the solution of equation 2b, z is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3. Suppose this is equation 3. Cubing this equation on both sides, we get z cube is equal to m plus n plus 3 times m raised to 1 by 3 en raised to 1 by 3 in bracket m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3 bracket complete. Or z cube is equal to minus z cube minus 3, we put this on left hand side, z cube minus 3 m raised to 1 by 3 n raised to 1 by 3 z minus m plus n is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 4. Since by equation 3, this equation must be identical with equation 2. Hence, comparing the coefficient in 2 and 4, we get m raised to 1 by 3 into n raised to n 1 by 3 is equal to minus h, or mn is equal to minus h cube. Suppose this is equation 5. And m plus n is equal to minus g, that is 6. Thus, m and n are the roots of the quadratic equation t square plus gt minus h cube is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 7, which gives m is equal to minus g plus under root of g square plus 4h cube upon 2, and n is equal to minus g minus under root of g square plus 4h cube upon 2. Suppose this is equation 8. If we take cube roots of m, we shall get the three values, namely m raised to 1 by 3, m raised to 1 by 3 omega, comma m raised to 1 by 3 omega square, where omega is the complex cube root of unity, that is omega is equal to minus 1 plus under I root of 3 upon 2. Similarly, n raised to 1 by 3, n raised to 1 by 3 omega, and n raised to 1 by 3 omega square will be the cube roots of n. We shall get the 9 values of expression m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3. If all possible combinations are taken into consideration, but m raised to 1 by 3, n raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus h, and which gives n raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3. Hence, from equation 3 gives, equation 3 gives z is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3 is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 minus the value of n raised to 1 by 3 is minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3. Suppose this is equation 9. Similarly, replacing m raised to 1 by 3 by m raised to 1 by 3 omega and m raised to 1 by 3 omega square respectively in equation 9, we shall get the other two values of z, getting only 3 roots of 2. Thus, if z1, z2, z3 are the roots of the equation 2, we have z1 is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3 is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3. z2 is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 omega minus into minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3 omega is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 omega minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3 omega square is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 n plus n raised to 1 by 3 omega square. because minus h upon m raised to omega m raised to 1 by 3, that is n raised to 1 by 3. Z3 is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 omega square minus into minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3 omega square is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 omega square minus h upon m raised to 1 by 3 omega is equal to minus 1 raised to is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 omega square plus n raised to 1 by 3 omega. Thus we obtain all the roots of the given cubic equation in 1 from the relation z is equal to n over x plus a1. Solve the equation x cube plus 6x square plus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0 by Cardan's method. Solution: to remove the second term, diminish the roots by h is equal to minus a1 upon 3 a naught. A naught is 1, a1 is 6, a2 is 9, a3 is 4. Therefore minus 6 upon 3 into 1, 3 is the degree of the polynomial, is equal to minus 2. Therefore by using synthetic division, minus 2 here 1, 6, 9, 4. We put this 1, 2 into minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 1 into minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2. A3. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, that is a2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, that is a1. Here 1, a naught. Thus transform equation is z cube minus 3z plus 2 is equal to 0, where z is equal to x plus 2. Let z is equal to m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3. This is equation 2. Cubing both sides of equation 2, we get z cube minus 3 m raised to 1 by 3 n raised to n by 3 z minus m plus n is equal to 0. Comparing 1 and 2, we get m raised to 1 by 3 n raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 1. M plus n is equal to minus 2. That is mn is equal to 1. M plus n is equal to minus 2. Thus mn are the roots of the quadratic equation t square plus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus g is minus 2. And minus h cube is mn, that is 1. Therefore we get two roots, minus 1, repeated roots, minus 1. Therefore the roots of cubic in z are m raised to 1 by 3 plus n raised to 1 by 3. M raised to 1 by 3 omega plus n raised to 1 by 3 omega square, and m raised to 1 by 3 omega square plus n raised to 1 by 3 omega. That is minus 2 minus omega square and minus omega square minus omega, or minus 2 1 1. 1 plus omega square is equal to, hence the roots of the given equation 1 are minus 2 minus 4. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Using this, x is equal to z minus 2. Discuss method of solving biquadratic equation. Let a naught x raised to 4 plus a1 x cube plus a2 x square plus a3 x plus a4 is equal to 0 be given equation. Suppose that x square minus lambda x plus mu in the bracket x square plus lambda x plus mu dash is equal to 0. Comparing coefficient of x square, x and constant terms of equation 1 and 2, we get values of lambda, mu and mu dash. Putting these values in equation 2, find the roots of the quadratic equation in 2. These roots are the roots of the equation 1. Solve the equation x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 6x minus 5u is equal to 0 by discuss method. Let us assume that fx is equal to x raised to 4 minus 5 x square minus 6 x minus 5 is equivalent to x square minus lambda x plus mu. In next bracket, x square plus lambda x plus mu dash is equal to 0. Equating coefficient of like powers of x, we get mu plus mu dash minus lambda square is equal to minus 5. Lambda, mu, these are the coefficient of x square. Now the coefficient of x, lambda in bracket mu minus mu dash is equal to minus 6. And constant terms, mu dash is equal to minus 5. Eliminating mu and mu dash from equation 2, we get in bracket, we take this mu plus mu dash is equal to lambda square minus 5. Lambda square minus 5, squaring both sides, we get mu plus mu dash bracket square, that is mu square plus mu dash minus 2 mu dash plus mu dash, that is mu minus mu dash, that is minus 6 upon lambda plus 4 times mu dash, that is 4 into minus 5. Or lambda raised to 6 minus, after the simplification, minus 10 lambda raised to 4 plus 45 lambda square minus 36 is equal to 0, which gives lambda is equal to 1 by inspection method. Hence 2 gives mu plus mu dash is equal to minus 4, mu minus mu dash is equal to minus 6, mu dash is equal to minus 5. Addition of these two, we get 2 mu is equal to minus 10, therefore mu is equal to minus 5. Put this minus 5 here, mu plus 5 is equal to 6, therefore mu is minus 5 plus mu dash is equal to minus 4. Mu dash is equal to 5 minus 4, that is mu dash is 1. Hence 1 gives fx is equal to x square minus x minus 5, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 21 upon 2, comma minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 upon 2. It's okay, we stop here. And the portion of theory of equation is completed. Okay.